Hey everyone! Today we talk about the 2001 Kentucky quarter. This coin was made in Philadelphia, and over 353 million were made that year. Most of these coins are common, which means they are not worth much if they have been used. If your quarter is worn, scratched, or dull, it is only worth 25 cents, just like regular change. But if your coin looks new and shiny, it might be worth more. Coins that look new and have no scratches are called uncirculated or mint state coins. If your coin is uncirculated but not perfect, it might be worth about $1 or $2. If it is in better condition with clear details and no marks, it can be worth $5 or more. Some coins are very special because they are in almost perfect condition. Experts grade these coins with numbers from 60 to 70, where higher numbers mean better coins. A coin graded MS-67 can be worth around $6. A coin graded MS-68 has sold for between $15 and $35. The rarest and most perfect coins are graded MS-69. These are very hard to find, but when they are sold at auction, they can bring in over $2,000. That is a big price for just a quarter. But remember, these perfect coins are very rare. Most people will never have one. Still, it is good to check your quarters. You might find a valuable one. If you find a shiny quarter with no marks, you can send it to a professional company to get it graded. Grading means experts look at the coin and give it a score. This helps people know how good the coin is. A graded coin can be sold for more money. But if your coin is scratched or worn, it is not worth grading. It will be just like regular change. Even so, collecting coins can be fun. The 2001 Kentucky quarter is usually common and worth only 25 cents if used. But if you find one in perfect shape, it can be worth a lot. So check your coins carefully. You might have a treasure hiding in your pocket or coin jar. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends who like coins too. Leave a comment if you find a special coin or want to ask questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your coin hunting.